Hi guys, it's early morning right now. It's about 5:30 in the morning, and we're about to go up and see if we can catch Megalodon teeth in Venice Beach, the big ones. Hopefully we're gonna have a little bit of luck and we're gonna win, and we're gonna go ahead and be able to get and catch one. So keep tuned on the channel, and we will see if we can catch some excitement here within the next few hours. Coffee.
Hey guys, you gotta do me a favor. Any more bags? You guys done with your bags?
Whew. There you go. over. Yeah. Oh, I did. Yeah.
Perch your leg for me.
So here's some of the finds that we got from the sea bottom near Venice or Manitoba Key. Got a big bone here, fossilized. It looks really cool actually. A little bit of a bone here as well. Also fossilized, a different color. We got some Dugong ribs which are here as well. Here's some Dugong ribs as well, the Manatee edition with the dolphin tail. Also another Dugong rib here, and then we got some more Dugong with a big kind of fossilized piece of bone here as well. In total, it's been actually a very nice day. It's been really cool out there. 3 guys in the water having a lot of fun, and we found a lot of things out there as well. A little bit of an antler as well, also fossilized. It's not as in a good shape as I was expecting it to be, but it's there, and that's okay as well. There are also some shark teeth that I'll show you in a second, and a lot of sand dollars, of course, and all the other stuff that's on the bottom. So here's some more that's found on the sea bottom, fossilized bones as well. If anybody knows what type of bone this is, I will be very interested. Looks like it's got some marks as well in here as well. It looks anything from a rib to, I don't know, ivory, whatever. This one here is a little bit the same, and there's a hole through, if people can see it. It's actually hollow inside, but definitely a bone as well. This is definitely a rib from something which I don't know if it's just because it has a different layer of minerals that it was in, and that's the reason why it's got a different color. It could be. This one here, on the other hand, I need to clean it up. It's definitely a bone. It's a big one too. Could be from a horse or something, I'm not sure. However, as you can see, the mark itself is in here, and then the fracture is on the outside. So it's been quite a big a piece of bone that's been fossilized here as well. So kind of interesting. If you know what this is, I'll be very interested in hearing what it could be, and drop it in the comments below, and I'll return my answer as well. Thank you very much. So the big question is, did we actually catch a Megalodon tooth? And actually, yes, Classy did catch one, a very beautiful one indeed. Here it is to enjoy for everyone. A very beautiful find. Enjoy. Here's some of the shark teeth that I actually found down there. All kind of smaller ones, but they're actually kind of beautiful with teeth, and actually some sharp ones. There are some makos and bulls and everything in between. Some different, here you go, teeth from stingray as well. So all in all, it's been a great day, and this is the final catch. Alright everyone, yeah, now we're back from the diving part. It's been absolutely a great day today, and I think everybody enjoyed themselves, had a great time out there, and Captain Jamie on the Aristocrat did a good job finding some nice locations for us to look for the teeth. We did catch a lot, and we also caught some bones and fractures as well of both dugongs and all kinds of other stuff that we don't know. And I hope you enjoyed the video. You can like and subscribe, and I'll post another video as soon as I can. And thank you for watching this time.